Seth, the third son and appointed hope for Adam and Eve. This is the story of what happened after Cain killed his brother Abel. Adam had relations with his wife Eve again. She bore a son and named him Seth, meaning, "For God has appointed me another seed instead of Abel, because Cain killed him." The descendants of Seth and the meaning of their names. Starting from Adam, which means man. Seth, appointed. Enosh, mortal. Canaan, sorrow. Mahalalel, the blessed God. Yared, shall come down. Enoch, teaching. Methuselah, his death shall bring. Lamech, despairing. Noah, rest or comfort. And if we look through the names, we discover God's love message to mankind. Right from Genesis 5, God had promised restoration, and this is how the message reads through the names. Man is appointed mortal sorrow, but the blessed God shall come down, teaching that his death shall bring the despairing rest. The chosen descendants, how long did they live? Adam. This is the written account of Adam's family line. When God created mankind, He created them in the likeness of God. He created them male and female, and blessed them, and He named them mankind when they were created. When Adam had lived 130 years, he had a son in his own likeness, in his own image, and he named him Seth. After Seth was born, Adam lived 800 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Adam lived a total of 930 years, and then he died. Seth. When Seth had lived 105 years, he became the father of Enosh. After he became the father of Enosh, Seth lived 807 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Seth lived a total of 912 years, and then he died. Enosh. When Enosh had lived 90 years, he became the father of Canaan. After Canaan was born, Enosh lived 815 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Enosh lived a total of 905 years, and then he died. The chosen seed from Canaan to Yared. Canaan. When Canaan had lived 70 years, he became the father of Mahalalel. After Mahalalel was born, Canaan lived 840 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Canaan lived a total of 910 years. Then he died. Mahalalel. When Mahalalel had lived 65 years, he became the father of Yared. After Yared was born, Mahalalel lived 830 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Mahalalel lived a total of 895 years, and then he died. Yared. When Yared had lived 162 years, he became the father of Enoch. After Enoch was born, Yared lived 800 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Yared lived a total of 962 years, and then he died. The chosen seed from Enoch to Shem. Enoch. When Enoch had lived 65 years, he became the father of Methuselah. After Methuselah was born, Enoch walked faithfully with God 300 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Enoch lived a total of 365 years. Enoch walked faithfully with God, and he was no more, because God took him away. Methuselah. When Methuselah had lived 187 years, he became the father of Lamech. After Lamech was born, Methuselah lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Methuselah lived a total of 969 years. Then he died. Lamech. When Lamech had lived 182 years, he had a son. He named him Noah, and said, "He will comfort us in the labor and painful toil of our hands caused by the ground the Lord has cursed." After Noah was born, Lamech lived 595 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Lamech lived a total of 777 years, and then he died. Noah. After Noah was 500 years old, he became the father of Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Later we will discover that it is through the line of Shem that the Messiah is born into the world, the Messiah, Jesus Christ. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Jesus Christ. John 14:6.